I just got this Saturn Ion. Got a pretty good deal on it. Gotta fix it up. It's got a front end issue, but I think it's just the brakes. Alright, so I'm just gonna take the caliper off here. There's two bolts. There's one here and one on the bottom. Most brakes are usually all the same. Now I've already loosened these, so I'm just gonna take them off. Alright, now this whole unit should just come right off. Tuck that away. Up in there. Actually, that's a nice spot, eh? That's nicer than usual. Well, they look brand new. Eh? Actually, I want to take this part off too. So that's like a... These are the ones that are usually hard, actually. Fuck. To get a bar on it. So actually, I should explain myself. So when you take these two bolts off, just this one section comes off, and then you can pull the pads off. So you can just do a quick pad change. But if you want to take the whole caliper off, you have to take these other two bolts at the back off as well. Alright, what we're going to do now is we're going to pull off the old rotor. Alright, put that down over there. We got a brand new one over here, which my dirty hands will make a mess of them right quick. Alright, so there's a new rotor on there. Alright, so we got some new pads here too. There's two new pads. And usually most pads, well, some of the cheap stuff doesn't, but it usually comes with new hardware as well. So you take this part, that first part I took off, and you pull the hardware out of there, the old stuff, right? And then you just stick it back in there. Alright, so now you got your new hardware in. Right, so that's the way the pads go in. They slide in to the channels. Right, and then this. Right, so now I have the caliper tucked away up there. Right, so now you have the piston in the caliper. Now this is extended, so what you have to do is you have to push it in. I got the C-clamp on the piston. Alright, so once you have the piston compressed, now you can bolt the caliper back on. Right, so you put this unit back on. Once you got that bolted on, you want to push your pads right up against the rotor. I'm going to take the caliper with the piston and slide. See these? There's these holes here. You can't really see. Right there. And you line them up. And you put your piston over. Alright, so there's a new disc and new pads and everything's tight. Now you just have to put the tire on.